Hi, this is Nimisha Mishra, who can be described as a curious creature in the area of marketing communication, because of which has submitted her PhD thesis to Aligarh Muslim University on advertising of dream products. Currently, I'm associated with X5 Business School Mumbai as a marketing faculty. Have you ever wondered getting mixed messages from your friends? Sometimes they behave as they are your best buddies, but sometimes they don't even look at you. Such confusing patterns can develop in an organization also. You might notice one product advertisement on TV focusing on its quality, while the other magazine ad might focus on the affordability. As such, it is the need of marketing communication to be integrated. Means the message which is aimed for consumers should focus on the same set of parameters, even if it is from a television, ad, magazine article, coupon, or social media site. All four elements of promotion mix should be integrated to communicate set of similar message. Companies have realized the importance of framing cohesive marketing communication plan and have adopted an integrated marketing communication which involves bringing together a variety of different communication tools to deliver a common message and make a desired impact on customers perception and behavior. This module will take you through the detailed understanding of the elements of promotion mix by the online and face to face learning sessions, including online polls, quizzes, tests, assignments, and group tasks. So get ready and join me to be a part of this learning experience. Thank you.